Hello and welcome. You're watching WION World is One. My name is Hemkaur Saroya and here's a look at all the top stories that we're tracking for you right now. India slams Pakistan Prime Minister during right of reply at the UN General Assembly for raising the issue of Jammu and Kashmir. Diplomat Bhavika Maglanand says a country with global reputation of terrorism has the audacity to attack the world's largest democracy. Fresh wave of air raids hit Beirut's southern suburbs as Israel steps up attacks on Hezbollah. At least 6 killed, 91 injured as 6 buildings completely destroyed in the attacks. Reports claim Hezbollah chief Hassan Nasrallah was the target of the Israeli Air Force strike on Hezbollah headquarters in Beirut. Hezbollah sources say he is alive and well. Israeli army says its fighter jets killed Mohammad Ali Ismail, the commander of Hezbollah's missile unit in southern Lebanon. His deputy and other Hezbollah commanders also killed in attack. Russia says it has captured Marynivka village in Ukraine's Donetsk region, pushing towards Pokrovsk. Ukraine says it repelled 42 Russian assaults on the Pokrovsk front. Donald Trump says he will seek prosecution of Google if he wins the November election, accuses Google of only showing bad stories about him. Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi urges the United States to pursue dialogue with respect in a meeting with Secretary of State Antony Blinken, slams suppression of its economy and trade as the two countries seek to dial down tensions. Hurricane Helene leaves a trail of destruction across Florida and the southeastern United States, killing at least 44 people, tearing apart homes as rescue crews launch desperate missions to save people from flood waters. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.